In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to scan an A3 size document on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series. So let's place the document onto the Flatbed scanner, which is able to scan A3 or tabloid size media. Next, let's start up our HP app on our mobile phone.
If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe.
From the app, tap on the printer. Scroll until you see scan. Select that. Now on the target, you need to drag it all until it fills the whole perimeter. And under custom, make sure that the source is scanner glass, because that is the only one that can scan A3 or tabloid size documents. So let's scan. The A3 size document is scanned. You can go to next. You can share or save or even fax the document. So this is how you scan an A3 or tabloid size document on the HP OfficeJet Pro 9730 printer series.